Alright, when we're dividing, what we're trying to figure out is how many groups of 35 can we get out of 4,795? Or, if we divide and put 35 in a group, how many groups do we get? So, first thing we want to do is we want to do a multiple tower of our 35s. So, this is 35 one time. We have 35 two times. So we're going to add 70 and 30, which is 100 plus 5. There's 3 times. I'm going to add 105 plus 30, which is 135, plus that 5 is 140. 140 plus 30 is 170, plus 5 is 175. 175 plus 30 is 205, plus 5 is 210, and let's do one more. 210 plus 30 is 240, plus 5 is 245. So this is one group of 35s, two group of 35s, three groups of 35s, 4 groups, 5 groups, 6 groups, 7 groups. So first thing, we're going to make a multiple tower. Then we're going to cover up everything but the first number. We have a 4. The biggest group without going over. There isn't one because 35 is bigger than 4. So we're going to move our finger over. We're at 47. The biggest group without going over is 35. So I'm going to put a 35 here, and then I'm going to fill in 2 zeros. And what this tells me, I went down one time. That's 35 goes into 35 one time, and adding 2 zeros says that that is 100 groups of 35. So I'm taking out 100 groups of 35, and here's what I have left. I'm going to start again. I'm going to cover up everything but the 1. There's the biggest number with group without going over. There isn't one. 112. There isn't one. 129. The biggest group without going over is 105. And that's 3 groups of 35. But I'm going to add a 0 here. So that's 30 groups of 105. And I subtract, and I have 245. Glancing through here, I see my 245 here. So I'm like, oh gosh, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 35, and I have 0 left over. So I had 100 groups of 35 here, 30 groups of 35 here, 7 groups down here, so I ended up with 137 groups of 45.